How to share page on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share page on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and now here all you need to do is just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, just click share. And as you see here, you can share the page on any app you want here, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.